Welcome to Learning Mandarin, Chinese short story listening. 我的生日 My birthday. Firstly, let's preview key vocabularies. 毕业 to graduate. 毕业。庆祝 to celebrate. 庆祝。生日蛋糕 birthday cake. 生日蛋糕。生日快乐 Happy birthday. 生日快乐。礼物 gift. 礼物。化妆品 cosmetics. 化妆品。项链 necklace. 项链。饭厅 dining room. 饭厅。Listening question. 小云一共收到了几件礼物 How many gifts did 小云 receive? Chinese short story for listening practice. Are you ready? Now listen carefully. If you get stuck, turn on English captions or slow down the audio in setting. 小云今年6月份大学毕业了，再过几天她就22岁了。为了庆祝，她准备在家里举办一个生日聚会。她邀请了一些家人和朋友来参加。在周六，大家来到了小云的家。小云的妈妈做了一个很大的生日蛋糕。小云拿过刀，为大家分蛋糕。接着，大家一起为小云唱生日快乐歌，送生日祝福。然后大家一起吃蛋糕。小云很开心，她开始拆礼物。有人送了书，有人送了包，有人送了巧克力，有人送了衣服，还有人送了化妆品。小云一共收到了17件礼物，她都非常喜欢。当然，她最喜欢的还是父母送给她的金项链。谢过大家后，小云带大家去了饭厅。大家一边吃饭一边聊天。天气很好，大家也去了花园。有人开了音乐，大家开始唱歌跳舞。小云跟大家一起玩了一整天。对于她，这是一个非常快乐的生日。Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you enjoy my content and would like to support my creation, please consider to be my patron.